Good morning, my dear student. Today we will solve one problem regarding the LT transmission line. So, in this question, they are given that we have to prepare a material for a 400-meter long LT distribution line running from a substation with street light provided each pole. One street light provided at each pole. There is a road crossing between fourth and fifth pole, and deviation 35 degree at a fourth pole, and the total load is 80 kilowatt, and they have given number of data for assumption purpose. The first one is the span between two pole is 50, means between two pole the distance will be 50 meter. The next one, and they have given sag is 1% of the conductor, means the actually deviation of the line this is given, they have a 1%. The third one, supply voltage, and they have given that 400 volt 3 phase 0.8 power factor they have given, and the conductor is 0.5% extra is taken for the binding purpose, and stack they have provided one end of the distribution line, and stay they have provided at pole 1, fourth and last pole they have given stay, and each pole contain one lamp. It is HPSB lamp of 125 kilowatt, and in this problem they have uses 5 wires. These 5 are R, Y, B, N and a street light. So they have total 5 wire they have used, and this is the total problem. This is the given data in this problem. So in our first step we will calculate the number of pole which is required. So for calculation purpose, the number of pole is equal to total span by 50, means distance between two pole plus 1. This is a normal formula for calculation of number of poles. So total distance they have given 400, and the between two pole is 50 and plus 1. So 0 0 cutting, so 5 1 ja 5 8 ja, so 8 plus 1 it is not, the number of pole is 9. So it is the pole is 9. The number of pole required is here is 9 pole, and we will design the number of pole here. So see here, this one is the first pole, and we have given stack here, second pole, third pole, fourth pole, and they have given that at the fourth pole the angle of deviation is 35 degree, and it is the actually it is deviated 35 degree, and it is coming to fifth pole, and there is a road crossing between this fourth and this fifth and sixth and seventh, eighth, ninth. So total number of pole we have get 9 pole. So these are the pictorial representation of the pole in the LT system. So here we will calculate load, current and selection of the conductor. So our first step will be we will calculate is current and the conductor size. So total load they have given 80 kilowatt. This is given in the given data. So total load we can write here √3 VL IL cos phi, they have given 80 kilowatt. So IL I will get, so IL I will get P by √3 VL cos phi. So P is given, P they have given 80 kilowatt, this is √3, and this 400 line voltage they have given 400, and power factor is 0.8. So full load current on this line, the conductor lines we are getting here is equal to 80 into 10 to the power 3 by √3 into 400 into 0.8 is equal to 144.33 ampere. But this is the full load current, but we have to consider the safety factor. Normally we are considering LT line 0.5. normal the safety factor is 0.5. So the total safety current in this line is 1.5 into the current we are getting. So 0.5 into 144.33 ampere. So we are getting the total safety current here is 216.5 ampere. So based upon this safety current we will select the conductor. So see the number of conductor required for us here. We have got the total safety current 216.5 ampere. So we have to select the current based upon this table. So 216 which is lies between, we have to choose. So 216 is lies between 217 and 2. This is 217 and 234 ampere. So we consider this pink. So in this case we will consider. So in this case our requirement is this the pink which is lies between 234 to 217. So in this figure we are getting 6 aluminum and 1 steel, and the size of the conductor is, and the diameter of the wire is 3.66 and it is 3.66 mm is the diameter. So this is the diameter of the conductor which we are considering here. So from the graph ACSR chart we have found that for this transmission we have required a 6 aluminum conductor, 1 steel and a 3.66 mm size, and its resistance will be 0.4565 ohm per kilometer. So this is the conductor size we have get from the calculation. Next we will calculate the street light load. So they have given one light is equal to 125 watt. So we have got 9, so there is 9 pole. So we will calculate 9 into 125. So total power we are required is 9 into 125 is equal to 1125 watt. This is the total power required. But when we are calculating its current into voltage is equal to power. So power we have gotten 1125, and the voltage normally the supply voltage will be 238 domestic and I. So I value we are getting, and I value we are getting power by volt. So the power 1125 by 230. So the current we are getting is 4.89 ampere, and the safety factor is 1.5. So 1.5 into 4.89 current we are getting 7.38 ampere. So this is the full load current of the street light. This is the full load current of the street light. This is 7.33 ampere is the full load current of the street light. So the total current we are getting 7.33. So from the ACSR chart we are getting it is 6 aluminum, 1 steel and 2.1 size of the conductor. So for the street light we are required the size of the conductor will be 2.11 mm size of the conductor. We have calculated about three phases. Previously we have calculated R, Y, B 3 phases, how amount of conductor is required, but next we are going to be calculate the amount of phase current required for the neutral wire. So normally the neutral wire current is taken at 50% of the phase wire. So average 50% of the phase wire which is required, and first 216 this is for the load current, and 7.33 is this current is for the street light by 2, this is the average current. So in this case we are getting 216.5 plus 7.33 by 2, we are getting 11.925 ampere. This is the current of the neutral wire. So from the chart we are getting that ACSR chart, the size of the wire for neutral is 6 aluminum, 1 steel and 2.1 mm wire of neutral is required for this purpose. Next we have to calculate voltage drop of this line. So 400 meter, how much voltage is drop, we have to calculate in this problem. So the total length they have given 400 and plus 1% they have given seg. Seg means 1% they have given seg means 400 into 1 by 100. So we are getting the seg is 4 meter. So the total length we require 400 plus 4 is equal to 404 meter. So the total length we are getting 404 meter. We are getting 404 meter. So in this case the voltage drop for, so total we have to calculate the voltage drop for 404 length of wire and length of the distance and a 1.4 ampere current is flowing through the wire. So the voltage drop, the formula is current into resistance into total distance per kilometer, because they have given per kilometer we have to be calculate. So the current of this load is 114.33 and the resistance will be 0.4556 and the total length will be the 404 per by 1000. So we are getting the voltage drop 26.618 volt per phase. So this amount is the voltage drop happening per kilometer of the LT line. So next we will calculate the voltage regulation. In this voltage regulation the formula is VR cos phi by V per phase. So VR means the load voltage which we have got means a drop voltage or load voltage, we are getting 26.818 into 0.8 cos phi by per phase means 400 by root 3. So finally we are getting this voltage regulation which is 9.2. Voltage regulation we are getting 9.2. So the previously we have got 9.2 voltage regulation, which is very high. Voltage regulation means voltage drop or the loss of voltage in the line. So voltage drop is 9.22, which is very much high. So we will calculate its next conductor in this chart. So next we will consider 6 by 1 by 3.99. So increases diameter. So increase diameter, reduce its resistance. So from the ACR chart we are considering 0.384 ohm per kilometer. This is the resistance, because previously it is 3.5 something, right now it is 3.99. So we are reducing its resistance. So now again we will calculate the voltage regulation. So voltage regulation is equal to volt into current into total length by 1 per kilometer or per 1000. So the voltage here is, so the voltage here is equal to 404 total length. The current flowing is 144.33 and the resistance will be 0.3841 per 1000. So the voltage per phase is equal to 22.39. So we will calculate here voltage regulation is equal to VR cos phi by V per phase. So V for phase we are getting 22.39 into 0.8 by 23 into 100. So which value we are getting 7.7 percentage. The voltage regulation is 7.7 percentage. So the voltage regulation we have got 7.7 percentage, which is just above than 5% of the voltage regulation. So this conductor is selected for the transmission of the LT line. Due to long video, I am doing another video as a continue this problem.